Hi guys, my name is Chris. I'm the biggest talker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first PayPal account, a UK PayPal account. If you stick with me to the end of this video, you will open your UK account in Nigeria or in Ghana, wherever you are. And also, you don't need a VPN to do this. And all you just need is to have a UK number, which you can get on the internet, okay, for free. All right, so I would advise you also buy for yourself if you are really serious into whatever business you are doing. So if you are doing online survey, which I do, if you are into crypto trading, arbitrage trading, you need to have your own UK number, which is very free. I'll create a separate video for that. Now it's very simple to get started. All you just need to do is to have a proxy account for the UK that you're going into. So a proxy is just an alternative to a VPN. It's very cheap. For 3,000 naira, you can get a proxy account to use for a month. Okay, so if you're doing business, you need that. Before you create this account, you need a proxy account, and that's all you need to get started. If you don't have a UK phone number, you can get it on the net for free. So stick with me to the end of this video and learn how to get started. Let's go into this. My name is Chris. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notification bell. I'm the biggest talker. I'll keep showing you opportunities to make money online. Let's go. You just need to come to paypal.com/UK on your VPN and make sure you have your UK number. Okay, I'll walk you through, get started. So go to paypal.com/UK, and over here you're going to be told to use a personal or a business PayPal. So you choose to have a personal one. Okay, for this it's for personal. So those of you who are doing this, I believe you are doing surveys, you want to receive money from clients or business partners or family and friends in the UK. Okay, so this is how you can do. So put in your email address. Now, one thing you need to understand, your email address, if you have a gray account or a UK account, use gray. Okay, the email you use for gray, use it. Then put in your phone number, okay, that you have. If you don't have a UK phone number, send a message in the DM and I will get you started. Okay, now your phone number, you're going to receive a code in your phone number. I just checked, okay, that this is a code to my the application I'm using to get phone number. Once that is done, you need to put in your password. Then you come over here at is already set at United Kingdom, so you put your first name, last name and date of birth. If you have a gray account, make sure you use the same first name, last name. Now you need a postal code, okay, that you are in the UK. You need a postal code. So I'm going to show you how to get a postcode from the internet. So all you just need to do is to come to Dogal postal code generator. Okay, go to your search bar, search for Dogal postal code generator. That's what you need. Okay, once you type that, this is a generator that will generate a UK postcode for you and an address for you. Okay, make sure you screenshot and copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Okay, so when you come over there, you click on it and it's going to generate for you. So all you need to click on that arrow button there and choose. All these are postal codes. Okay, and I'm going to choose, let's say I'm going to choose any of them here. I'll just choose this one, BB. I think I'll go with this BB and click on create random postcode, and you're going to see this is the postal code. So if you're looking for ways to get a postal code in the UK, this is the best way for you to get. You can also generate a matching address for you. Okay, so once you have that, copy it, put it where it's needed. You click on create matching address. It's going to create an address for you in case you are asked for an address for the 6 Copperfield Close. Okay, so that's what we are going to need. I will just take it, copy the postal code. This is it. I'll put the postal code here, and once you put it on PayPal, it's going to bring it out for you. I'm going to choose this number 3 Cross Street. Okay, or you can add it manually from what you saw on the postal code generator. So I'll just put number 3, leave the address line number 2. Once that is done, but you are good to go, and it will take you here where you have to put in your bank card details. So just click not for now, and wham, your account is set. your account is set. Everything you need for PayPal, this is a UK PayPal account, everything is here. I just walked you how to create it. Everything that the UK PayPal account has, you have it over here. You can see all you just need to do now is just to set up your account, verify your email, and add in other details, which I'm going to do a separate video of how to add your card and other things, okay, and link a bank to it. So set up your account. I think if we click on this set up your account, you see different, confirm your email address, link a bank account, add your cards, add a profile. So if you have a gray account, a dollar account, you can just add it here. I'll do a separate video for that. And let's go verify our email and use the app. Okay, so now make sure your VPN is on. If you don't have a VPN, have a proxy. I offer that in my community. For 3,000 naira, you have a proxy account and you will be in the UK. Okay, so this is the app, and yeah, everything is set in the app. You have crypto options. The crypto options is here on this account. Okay, you can see it here, right here. There's a crypto options. There's a lot of things you can do right here. Bitcoin is 77,000 pounds. Ethereum, you can see everything you need to do. If you're an arbitrage trader, you can take advantage of all this. This is very good opportunity. My name is Chris. I am the biggest talker. I'll teach you how to make money online. Keep following me, subscribe, turn on notification bell, okay, and join my communities. If you want to get your proxy, send a DM to me. Proxy is the same thing as VPN. Okay, it hides your address. I'll catch you in my next video.